You've been able to make some significant marked improvement in all of your clients in a relatively short period of time.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about that.
I've had a client that came to me that had a lot of work that needed to be done. I actually cleared and corrected their credit, which was $300,000 of debt in 6 months.
That seems absolutely impossible.
Yes, it's not. It's not. My letters, the things that I'm writing to these creditors, are legitimate letters that are actually getting these items removed. Yes.
And so it is possible.
It is, yes, it's possible, and I love it. And I'm passionate about this. I love this. I know what it is not to have anything, and I've been there. So when these clients come to me and they're sitting here and they're like, I should file Chapter 7, I'm like, you don't have to do that. You don't have to. We can correct this together. It's not just me and it's not just you. It's a team effort. You do your part, I do my part. Together, we got it.
And I